Hi, this is Dave with NTI Online, and today I'm going to walk you through replacing the main control board on your FTVN or TRX Series 2 boiler. The Series 2 can be identified because it has this screen here with the dial in the middle and the 4 buttons. First thing you're going to want to do before doing any PCB replacement is power the unit off. So you're going to take the plug and pull it out of the wall. If you're on a circuit breaker, turn that off. So make sure the unit's fully powered down. To open up the control board, there's little tabs on the side, pull them out, roll this forward, remove the cover, and from here you're going to disconnect all of the wiring to the circuit board. So we'll do that quickly. For your thermostats, you don't have to physically disconnect them. You can just grab these plugs here and disconnect them, leaving your thermostats and external sensors wired, and you'll transfer those plugs to the new board. Now that all the wires are gone, there's 2 plastic clips in the top of the board here. Basically push on the clip, lift up on the circuit board, and pull out your old circuit board. Before handling your new control board, just touch ground, make sure that you've discharged any static electricity. Start with the instructions for your new board. You're going to need these to program it, and now we can physically install the board. So grab your new circuit board, locate the little tabs here, the plugs go to the back of the boiler. Line up those little tabs and snap the control board down into place. Just make sure you don't have wires stuck underneath it. And reconnect everything. We'll hook up our ground wires. And our flame probe connector. Now that everything's connected, we'll reinstall the thermostat plugs, whichever ones you happen to be using, and reinstall the cover. Now that that's done, we'll turn the boiler back on and set up the program. Now that your new control board is installed and the boiler is powered up, it will go into an air purge mode because the controller believes it's on a brand new boiler. If you want to bypass that, you can just hit the escape key. However, what we're going to do first is we're actually going to program it. So grab the instructions. I have a TRX 150 heat only Series 2. So we're going to follow the settings that are shown here. So these are the settings, and then the menus are listed. To get into the PCB replacement menu, you're going to press the menu button, scroll down till you get to Tech menu, press enter, scroll down till you see PCB replacement, press enter. And the advantage this menu is going to give you is it's going to list all of the parameters that need to be changed. Follow your instructions in case anything changes, but everything that you see on this sheet should be listed here, and you're going to set it according to what the sheet says. So for this model boiler, the 212 should be set to number 6, and it already is. 219 is the next setting, should be set to 0. It's already programmed for this boiler. Our next setting is 220. That is also set. Then we have menu 228. So 228 is the domestic hot water mode of operation. This is going to be aquastat, tank sensor, or a combi. So there's a little asterisk beside the instructions, and basically that's telling you to check the installation manual in the application and set the appropriate choice here. So in order to change that, we're going to go in, and I want to change that over to a tank sensor for this application. I'm going to press enter to save it. It says set to 1 tank sensor. Hit escape, and we're back out again. Next up, we want to go to boiler heating power, 229, press enter. According to my instructions, that should be set to 150, and it is. If you had a 199 or a smaller boiler, you would adjust the dial, set this to whatever the appropriate setting is for your product. So we'll leave that at 150 and press enter to save it. Hit escape to go back to the previous menu so that you can then change the next one. So after 229, we want to go to 232, maximum domestic water percentage set to 93. The instructions say 93, so we're good. 233, minimum power set to 6. The instructions also say 6. 234, maximum power. Same thing, we're already set correctly at 93. Then we want to go to 243. This is your fan post purge. Now this setting is not required to be changed, but usually what I like to see is that you either set it to 0, which means it's a small or a low post purge, and 1 is basically the maximum post purge. So if it's not set to 1, I would recommend setting it there and leaving it. If we scroll down a little further, we've got a domestic hot water post purge. This is a setting I generally would not worry about, and that's all the settings in PCB replacement. All we've changed so far are the settings that allow this controller for this specific boiler. We have not customized it or set it for the heating application. What you'll want to do after you've done your PCB replacement is you're going to go into your central heat setup and go to zone 1 and zone 2, and you're going to choose settings that are appropriate for your system, such as a maximum, minimum temperature, set your outdoor reset settings, the same as you would normally. We're going to escape out of there. You may or may not need to go into domestic setup to set your tank temperature or anything related to your domestic water. And so once you've set these system specific parameters, you can escape all the way back out to the main menu, and you've completed the control board replacement. At this point, you can put the boiler back into service, and if you have any problems, give us a call at tech support 800-688-2575. Thanks for watching the video today. If you'd like to check out more videos, see the link below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for all the future updates, and also check us out on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram.